Let's take a quick look at how we can use the presenter mode in the Pages app for iPad as a teleprompter when recording using the selfie video camera. Let's take a look at how this works. We'll begin by launching the Pages app, and you'll see I have a simple monologue here. It's nothing fancy, just the text, and that's all I really need. The first thing we want to do is go into presenter mode, and we can do that by tapping on the three-dot icon and selecting presenter mode. Here you can see the teleprompter view of this text. Now before I get started recording, I'm going to tap on the A icon in the top right just to show you all the different settings I have for the teleprompter view. I can make my text smaller or bigger, I can change the background color, I can change the font, as well as things like make it all caps, add line spacing, and change the margins. Finally, you want to make sure that auto scroll is turned on because that's what's going to give you that teleprompter feature with the words scrolling from bottom to top. And finally, you see you can control how fast that happens using that slider. It might be good to practice before you start recording to make sure that those settings all work well for you. When you're ready to record, what you need to do is tap on the three-dot icon on the top of the screen. And we're going to use the slide over feature so that we can have our teleprompter floating over our camera app. So I'm going to select slide over, and you'll see that window moves out of the way. And this is allowing me to choose the other app that I would like to use, which in this case is my camera app. Now there's one thing I want to do here. First of all, I can't control any of my camera settings because the teleprompter is in the way. So I'm just going to grab that window and move it over to the left-hand side. Now this is actually a good thing for a couple of reasons. One, I can now access my camera controls, but also the camera for my front-facing video recording for the iPad I'm using is actually on the left side of the screen. So it makes sense that my teleprompter will be as close to that camera as possible so that I can be looking at the camera while performing. Now all I need to do is set it to video and then switch to my front-facing camera. And when I'm ready to begin, I tap record and simply tap on the teleprompter and you'll see my words begin to scroll. But soft, what light through yonder window breaks? It is the east and Juliet is the sun. And so you can see how helpful this tool is for making a really high quality recording using a monologue or text that can scroll across the screen. Hopefully you find this a helpful tip for the classroom. Thanks for watching.